So hello guys, today we are playing Bus Simulator Indonesia and I hope you all are fine. And guys, I'm so sorry that for that I am not uploading videos. Okay, and today I will upload for you. Okay guys, today I will tell you how to have unlimited money in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Okay guys, I will tell you. Wait a minute. Yeah, guys. Okay, so you are seeing this one. Where is one righted? Okay, oh, wait a minute. I had come. You are seeing that one on gift box, and you will click on that. Okay, I am clicking. Okay, now you are take the job and watch a ad. You need to watch ad and you have 20,000 rupees. Okay guys, so you need to do this to match the pairs, and you are looking. I will do now the 2 minute. Okay guys, so we have rewarded 20,000 rupees. Okay guys, and now you need to see this on gift box left side there is daily reward. You need to click on this for today 40,000. Okay, you will got 40,000 rupees from here, and the game is giving you 20,000, but you need to watch an ad and you will got 40,000. And you, because you had 100 bonus on 20,000. Okay, let me do this firstly. Okay, we have rewarded you. Look guys, we have rewarded 40,000 rupees. Okay guys, and on our day 5 you will got 40,000 rupees, and you are looking this 6 hour 51 minute left to reward this. Okay guys, you, and here from here on gift box right side you click on that trophy, and you will see this play and finish free mode 5 times. You need to finish free mode 5 times. Okay guys, and change your bus livery 5 times. Okay, so yeah, you need to, what we said that, yeah, you need to add your any picture of the gallery in your video. I'm saying video in your bus, and then you need, but you need to upload 5 on your bus library. Okay, and here is buy 10 strobes in garage. That means buy 10 accessories of bus and garage, and this is also that buy 30 bus accessories in garage. Okay guys, that also mean that I tell you on up, and you will got 1,50,000 rupees. And oh, what the hell this is going. Okay guys, you are seeing this. Okay, and this one is also the, bro, why is this ad is coming? Okay, so you guys, and you need, when you need here to save your money up to 2 crore rupees, then you will do it to 2 lakh. Oh, you will got 2 lakh, and that is, and guys, I got this bus by that things I told you. Okay guys, bye, and please like and subscribe my video, and bye.